everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Melanie and I do a lot of different hauls, and my most popular hauls are my food hauls. So I've been to Marks and Spencer's and I'm going to call this a weekly food haul because I'm not going again this week, and even though there isn't enough food for the week, there are bits and pieces that I will use over the week, so I'm going to show you everything that I got. So the first two items, as you can see, are two 1 litre bottles of the unsweetened sparkling spring water with a hint of apple and elderflower. I absolutely love these. I highly recommend them. They're only 70p for a litre, which I think is good value. Then I've got this signature fish selection. I normally get the California rolls, but I love the one with avocado on, so I thought I'd have a change. I then got some Italian tomato puree. I got 2 packets of these Lockmuir salmon fillet fish cakes, 2 tins of chopped Italian tomatoes. I got a jar of Rogan Josh and 2 tikka masalas. I got a baked beans. I got an Amarillo golden ale. I got this fruit salad which has got mango, pineapple, blueberries, apple and kiwi in. I got these handcrafted dinky sausage rolls. I didn't realise they've got caramelised onion in them, so I don't particularly like them, but they've got a good date on them, so they will eventually get eaten. I've got the stuffed cherry peppers with goat's cheese. I love cherry peppers that are stuffed with cheese. Never had the M&S one, so I'm looking forward to trying them. I got another large bottle of the sparkling spring water with a hint of apple and elderflower. I got this super cute bottle of British strawberry milkshake. I saw these in Devon and there was a chocolate one, and I was trying to find the chocolate one and all they had was the strawberry, so I thought I'd just try it. Then I got the small chilled bottle of the apple and elderflower. This is £1 and this is only 70p, but obviously this is chilled, so you're paying for it to be chilled. And then the final 3 items, I got 3 packets of the Oakham chicken breast fillets, 2 skinless breast fillets, and it's 3 for 2, that's why I got them. And also, before I tell you the price, I also got this Diet Coke, which I almost forgot about because it wasn't worth the shopping. But I also got a pack of pork scratch and crisps for the 3 for 7 because it was this and this for £7, but it wasn't worth it. I should have just got my normal 2 pack of sausage rolls for 80p and saved myself £6.20, which I didn't. And also there was a sandwich. So, and I bought 2 carrier bags, so all that together originally came to £47, as you can see. Then I got £1.65 off for the 3 for £7, which to be honest is a waste of money. I might as well just got the 80p sausage rolls, like I said. Then £2 off for the 3 for 2 on the chicken breast, and then I got £1 off for the 3 drinks, 3 for 2. Because I got the milkshake, the small elderflower and apple and the Diet Coke, so basically I got one of those drinks for free. And then I got 10% off food, £3.98, because I finally got a Sparks card after going every week for a year. So eventually with the discount it came to £38.37. So if you have any questions about any of these items, please leave them down below and I'll answer. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification so you're alerted every time I upload. I did used to go to M&S weekly. I don't go as much, but the last 2 weeks I've been. So I may not go next week, but I will definitely be going the week after. So if you like Marks and Spencer's food hauls, that's a good reason to subscribe. And then click the bell notification. As I said, then you'll find out when I've uploaded another Marks and Spencer's video. And thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.